You've picked the perfect LEVOLOR window treatments to fit your room. Now let's get accurate measurements so they fit your windows. It's a cinch. Outside mount blinds and shades are best if inside mounts are not feasible or for aesthetic reasons like making windows look taller. Let's do it. Be sure to measure each and every window you're ordering treatments for. Using a metal tape measure, measure between the outermost points where you will want your blind or shade to extend. Overlap each side by at least 3/4 of an inch and measure to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. This is your width. Now measure from the highest point where you intend to install your blind or shade to the sill on which the bottom will rest, overlapping the top by at least 3 inches when possible. If there is no sill, measure to your desired length, at least 3 inches below the bottom of the window when possible. Make all measurements to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. This is your height. Ta-da! That's all there is to it. Though be sure to measure each and every window. They may look identical, but often they're not. There you have it. Now you're ready to measure your windows and place your order today.